but not for the newbie drug dealer. Newbie drug dealer is maybe being influenced by other drug dealer. Maybe he's no job. Maybe that's why I agree with government giving, but should be grouped into what kind of drug dealers should be put in the death penalty. But drug dealer for newbie drug dealer, newbie or maybe low level drug dealer should get prison maybe for a few years, maybe like that.
So do you agree, right? Or you don't agree?
I agree based on the categories of drug dealers.
Not the same all drug dealer.
Not the same all
No,
drug
oh, got it. Even though that's they have no right. I mean, they have no title for do drug dealer. Just they have no job and then no money. Just just buy that and then just putting that. They keep going that. So you don't got that penalty for our government in Indonesia, right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi. Any else?
Question from me.
All right. Keep going.
Isolate them into an island, maybe. Solitary island.
Okay.
All right. Keep going.